Changing the email link to your Etsy account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your current email and password. Ensure you are accessing the correct account that you want to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account management page. Step 3. Go to the email section. In Account Settings, look for the email section. Here, you will see your current email address listed. Click on the option to edit or change your email. Step 4. Enter your new email address. Type in a new email address you wish to link to your Etsy account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering the new email, click the Save button to confirm the change. Etsy will send a verification email to your new address. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to complete the process. After following these steps, your Etsy account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to keep your account information updated for a smooth experience.